So how can you increase the text size in apps on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there is one toggle inside of the main settings app. If you go to the display and brightness and find the text size option, right? This will show you like a little slider where you have to like make it go all the way to the right if you want to bump it up fully, but go, of course, see how much it increases the size of the text and just decide for yourself. But as you can see, we have plenty of options and we have the ability to bump up the text size across all of the different apps on the iPad, right? So when you set it up like this, even if you go to like your mails or wherever else you go, the text will be larger everywhere. This is like a universal setting. Also, below that, we have the button for bold text, which technically doesn't make it larger, but it makes it like thicker, which makes it easier to see as well. And this is a setting which also applies across the board for all of the individual applications, right? So yeah, it depends on what exactly you want to do, but this will apply everywhere. Keep in mind, however, that there are also apps which have their own setting for the text size. It's usually apps where you're supposed to read a lot, like for example, the websites within a Safari have the ability to bump up the text size by clicking on the button next to the search and tap on the large A to make it go larger. Same thing for like reading books, where you also have the ability to change the size and style of the text of your books that you're reading, right? So as I said, it all comes down to the app specifically, but you should most definitely have the ability to like adjust it for your needs and preferences. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.